Is Google Adsense. Google Adsense is a free advice program that allows online publishers to earn money by displaying third-party Google ads on their site. Business pay to advertise through AdSense, and site owners get a piece of that revenue based on click or ad impression. This is what Google AdSense and Unlock like website. What does Google AdSense work? How Google AdSense work in just that steps. Sign up and make your website available for ads. When we create an AdSense account, Google will review your site to make sure it complies with its policies. Once approved, we will need to add a code to your site. Then you can choose the ad format we want and where we would like there to appear. Ad format including page within main body, other ad. Note can also earn money by displaying ads in your YouTube video. To do set up AdSense account from within Ad Studio. Advice start building.